Escape the rat race. Build your own business today. Imagine waking up each day passionate about your work. Imagine turning your skills into a thriving business. You can be your own boss. Tired of making other people rich while you struggle to pay the bills? It's time for a change. Your skills are more valuable than you think. Woodworkers, hobbyists, and alternative energy enthusiasts, this is for you. You have the talent. Now, let's turn that into a profitable venture. No more 9-to-5 grind. Create a business doing what you love. Whether it's handcrafted furniture, solar panels, or survival gear, the possibilities are endless. Think about the freedom, the flexibility to set your own hours, the joy of working on projects you're passionate about. You deserve this. Imagine turning your garage into a workshop. Your creativity knows no bounds. We'll show you how to market your products and reach the right audience. Don't let another day go by. The time to start is now. Hundreds of people are doing it. Why not you? You have the power to change your life, to follow your passion and make a great income. It's easier than you think. Take control of your future. Be your own boss. Turn your skills into profit. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing.